John Croswell Bus Line, fourth generation into the family business, vice president of operations. Being able to adapt myself and change to what the new transportation looks like in the busing industry with different clients and different avenues of travel. The sense of urgency when you're dealing with people on the road and how fast we need to be able to react. And if you're not in the industry, you don't quite understand the importance of keeping the wheels on the bus moving. A few years ago during COVID, we were always looking at 6 months in advance of what were we going to do. Now we're looking at 5 and 10-year plans, and we've started to put into place with the recent purchase from ABC of what it's going to look like in 5 years for Croswell Bus Line. The challenges we deal with at 2 a.m. Dealing with brokers is very difficult for the small family-run businesses, and it's getting more and more, and it's affecting the way we have to do business every day. Be patient and listen to your elders. You got to put safety first, and you can never jeopardize that no matter what the client wants. Comfort, the amenities. You got to think about if you're sitting in that bus for extended periods of time, what would you like? The training aspect for drivers has now changed a lot. It can be done on the phone, on the computer, where they could be out on the road sitting in a hotel and be able to go through some safety trainings. One of the things when we purchased buses from ABC was they passed out QR codes for the wheelchair lift. Drivers that don't ever operate a bus can go scan that and see how to do it in 2 seconds. And we've now posted all of the QR codes on different aspects of the buses or in the office as a quick reference to be able to keep things moving and keep our people safe while out on the road. That they're by your side when no matter what's going on, that you can pick the phone up and call them. What can we do differently? How do we evolve into with the changing of clientele that are riding buses, or the different transportation aspects that are out there like Uber and Lyft that are now getting into autonomous vehicles? My father has been doing business with ABC since 1989, and I remember riding to Orlando with him to pick up buses and getting to go to Disney World. For the longest time, I always heard about Ron this, Ron that, and it was Ron Cornell. Then I heard about Clancy, then I heard about Dane, and the opportunity to meet Roman when we were probably 12 years old, both running around acting like hooligans around buses, and now he and I are making multi-million-dollar decisions together. And the fact that I can sit there and have a conversation with him about wildlife in his house or what I'm doing on my farm has nothing to do with business. We're able to disconnect from business, and he understands where I'm coming from, and I understand where he's coming from, as we're both running a family operation. Look past the actual equipment. Look at the people that you're dealing with day to day, and how are they going to help you when you're down and out, when you're broke down on the road. What are they going to do for you? How are they going to help you get your bus up and operating? ABC has always been there. We've been broke down in Orlando with an MCI, and ABC's given us a loaner bus, and there were no questions asked. We at Croswell Bus Line, we appreciate everything that the team at ABC does and to support us day to day, whether it's at our home office or out on the road. Thank you for everything.